The choice between an optical and laser mouse might seem trivial, but understanding the fundamental differences in their tracking technology can significantly impact your computing experience, whether you're gaming, designing, or simply navigating your desktop. Optical mice represent the more traditional approach to modern mouse technology. These devices use light-emitting diodes, typically red in color, to illuminate the surface beneath the mouse. A complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, commonly known as a CMOS sensor, captures thousands of images per second of the illuminated surface. The mouse processor then analyzes these sequential images, detecting microscopic variations in the surface texture to calculate movement direction and speed with remarkable precision. Laser mice employ a more sophisticated tracking mechanism. Instead of standard LEDs, these devices utilize infrared laser diodes to illuminate the surface. The laser light penetrates deeper into the surface material, capturing more detailed information about surface irregularities. This enhanced illumination method allows the sensor to detect even finer surface variations, theoretically providing higher sensitivity and dots per inch resolution. The sensitivity difference between these technologies manifests in measurable ways. Laser mice typically achieve higher maximum DPI ratings, often exceeding 8,000 dots per inch, while optical mice generally range between 1,000 and 6,000 DPI. However, higher sensitivity does not automatically translate to better performance. The increased sensitivity of laser mice can sometimes result in tracking inconsistencies, particularly on certain surfaces, as the sensor picks up microscopic imperfections that optical mice would ignore. Surface compatibility reveals one of the most significant practical distinctions between these technologies. Optical mice perform optimally on non-reflective textured surfaces. They struggle with glass, highly polished surfaces, and certain glossy materials because the LED light either reflects too intensely or fails to create sufficient contrast for the sensor to detect movement patterns. Laser mice demonstrate superior versatility across different surface types, including glass and high-gloss finishes, due to their deeper surface penetration and enhanced sensitivity. The precision characteristics of each technology suit different applications. Optical mice provide more consistent tracking behavior, making them preferred by many competitive gamers and graphic designers who require predictable, linear cursor movement. The lower sensitivity threshold of optical technology reduces the likelihood of unintended micro-movements that can disrupt precise work. Laser mice excel in situations requiring rapid cursor acceleration across large displays or when working on unconventional surfaces where optical mice would fail entirely. Power consumption and hardware longevity also differ between these technologies. Optical mice generally consume less power than their laser counterparts, resulting in extended battery life for wireless models. The simpler LED technology in optical mice typically costs less to manufacture, making these devices more affordable while maintaining reliable performance. Laser mice, with their more complex components, command higher prices but offer the flexibility of functioning on virtually any surface. Modern implementations have narrowed the performance gap between these technologies. Advanced optical sensors now achieve tracking accuracy that rivals laser mice for most applications, while refined laser technology has addressed many early issues with oversensitivity and erratic tracking. The practical difference for average users has diminished considerably, with both technologies providing smooth, responsive cursor control under normal conditions. Understanding these technological distinctions enables informed decision-making based on specific needs. Optical mice remain the reliable choice for users prioritizing consistent tracking, lower cost, and longer battery life, particularly when using mousepads or standard desk surfaces. Laser mice serve users who require maximum surface versatility, need to work on glass or glossy surfaces, or prefer extremely high sensitivity settings. The optimal choice depends less on which technology is objectively superior and more on which characteristics align with individual usage patterns and environmental conditions.